watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but
hey gorgeous, hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing this unit from Morichy. The hair is straight, okay, with some combs, no shedding, no tangle. You see the little strand that came from it. Hello gorgeous. So this unit is Morphe straight transparent lace closure wig, 4x4 Malaysian human hair wigs. So gorgeous, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. Like I said, it's from Morichy. If you're interested, you can check that out. There was no shedding from this hair. The hair is very soft and it's 4x4. You guys know 4x4 lace is very easy to install, and this one looks so natural. I just took it simple, installed it in a simple way, and this hair look gorgeous. You don't need to stress yourself. The quality of the hair is bomb. Okay, so like I said gorgeous, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box. And moreover, I did another video that is coming up after this one. That one I will show you guys how I styled this 4x4 lace wig. I took the wig to another level in that video, so watch out for that video. It's coming out after this one. So I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out and you will not regret it. You can see the hair is bomb. So you guys know I use gel to install my hair because of my edges. I have said that a million times, but if it is your first time here, that is the reason why I use styling gel, and it does the work for me. It holds my hair 24 hours and it's just like glue. The difference is that when you want to remove your wig, you don't face any stress. It's very easy. Just add little water and the wig is off. That is why I prefer using gel, and it protects my edges. So that is it. I did very simple thing in this installation. I did not do much, so just watch me do my thing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Make sure you watch to the end. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you are interested, check it out. Remember, I said this wig is from Morichy and it's 4x4 lace wig. All right guys, bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine.